In this video, we are going to explore SheetBridge tool. Along a project, we generate many schedules, and sometimes the information a schedule contains require a relatively complex data management. In that case, you often feel the urge of utilizing power of Microsoft Excel or similar softwares. SheetBridge is a tool that will help you with that. Here we have a space schedule where ventilation attributes and some other information are listed. We have now outdoor airflow information that is automatically calculated by the space type and their rounded values. And also we have ventilation characteristics of the spaces. If there's going to be exhaust, return, and often, yes, we have supply air. In this particular example, I need specified supply airflow, return and exhaust airflow built-in parameters of the spaces to be filled based on rounded outdoor air information. However, it is not something you can simply achieve in Revit itself. This is one of the examples where you might feel the urge to export your schedule to Excel, do your data management, and then finally import it back into Revit. And now let's do that. We start SheetBridge tool, and you can see here on the left hand side we have our schedules listed, all the schedules that we have in the project. You can search your schedule here. We have now space ventilation. You don't even have to write the entire words. And space ventilation, or you can click active view if you have this schedule that you want to export open here in the background as an active view. You can add more schedules if you would like, but now I just need space ventilation. And now it's time to export. And let me export this guy here, give it some name. And now it is exported actually. Yeah, let's take a look. We have some color coding in the exported sheet apparently, but I will explain them later in more detailed example. Now all we need to know that we are allowed to change the cells in beige color. I will update these 3 parameters. Also, I will mess with these 2 parameters just for the sake of demonstration. So let me just sort this group based on alphabetical order, and I will update these 3 to exhaust. I have optionally return, but I will prefer in this project exhaust. And also I have, of course, return air, and also supply air. But we also need to be careful about the type of information that we type into the cells, because these 3 parameters are supposed to be numbers, and we have here some text values. So we have to replace cubic meters per hour with basically nothing in selected cells. Let's select the cells first and then replace all, and then it's over. You can color them back, or you can leave it like this. It doesn't matter, but just for the sake of beauty, I will color them back. And also we have here space type. It's just regular good old Revit space type. And also I have here schedule key, whose name is space type key for some reason. I will also manipulate some data here just to show how that works. Say that I have this here, I have this here, I have dining hall, many dining halls here, and also I have, let's say, lots of corridors and some workshops. Oh no, not like that, like this. And lecture closet, just to show that it works also with space type kind of parameters. And now let's save this file and go back to the project. And now finally we will import our data back into our project. Yeah, as you can see, the space type information, our schedule key instances have also been updated. Also our airflow information have been also updated. That's fundamentally what SheetBridge can handle, but also I want to show you another example. This time we're going to take a look at diffuser list. First, I want to show you how we can export this schedule to Excel without compromising how it looks. Basically, what we need to do, select our schedule and click preserve schedule formatting, and then hit export. We will give it a name, diffs formatted. And you will see it exports without compromising how it looks in Revit interface. So apart from that, I want to also show you about the colors that we skipped earlier. I will just export this as full schedule, as full list. And now you will see this grouped schedule is now expanded so that every row has instances of the diffusers. So what we see here in terms of colors, we have title in purple, we have instance parameters in beige, we have type parameters in yellow color, we have this color that represents parameters that we don't have for the instances. In this case, we don't have this parameter available for any instances in this project. And also we have darker gray, which is read-only parameter. Even though you make some changes here, it will be ignored during import process. What you need to be careful about, again, the type of the information that you type into the cells. In this case, these all 5 parameters should be text. What we need to be careful about, the type should be actually a valid type in Revit. Also, the type parameters should match in every instances of the same family and same type. Meaning if I sort this A to Z and also this group A to Z, you will see here same family and same type. If I want to change something here, let's make it boxes. These all should match to the same value because the family and the type are same. So that when we import our data back into our project, there will be no conflict. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.